Welcome back. You're watching the 8th Emerging India Awards. I'm Shireen Bhan. Innovation is key to an entrepreneur's success, and this stands true with regards to our second SME. Be it in implementing a green building at the hospital or adopting innovative methods in surgery, Shalby Hospital has always been a trendsetter. Take a look.
Shalby Hospitals Limited is a group of multi-specialty tertiary care hospitals based out of Ahmedabad. The hospital has transitioned from a joint replacement centre to a hospital providing services in over 40 disciplines. The group has emerged as a benchmark in quality standards and healthcare delivery and is known for its accuracy and precision in total knee replacement surgery. Keeping abreast with developing technologies, Shalby Hospitals has invested heavily in IT infrastructure with Cisco and Nortel networking infrastructure. What is the main part of the medical field that Shalby Hospitals concentrates on?
We are a multi-speciality hospital, and we take care of every part of body. Having said this, we are number one in joint replacement surgery across the globe. We do highest number of knee replacements in the whole world. We do more than 7,000 per year. And also we are much ahead in dental implantology, renal transplant, and so on and so forth.
Where about in India can I find a Shalby Hospital?
Well, our main center is where we are standing. We have
Ahmedabad.
two other centers in Ahmedabad.
Okay.
We have one in Vapi, that is between Ahmedabad and Mumbai. And we have 2 units in Goa.
You also have a footprint outside of India, in Africa, I believe.
Yes, we actually pioneered medical tourism way back in 95-96, and actually now, whole of Africa comes to us. Even all VVIPs of Africa do come to us for various kind of treatments. And that actually necessitates to have office and medical clinic there, where we have our own managers, doctors, and other staff to take care of patients who are operated in our hospital, and then the post-operative care, stitch removal, and also new cases are seen. Even telemedicine also goes on there.
You spoke about telemedicine. What are some of the other innovative ways in which Shalby Hospitals is using technology to make it, the experience and it make it better for its patients?
We have always bought and equipped our hospitals with the best of the equipment, state-of-the-art equipments for diagnosis as well as management both. Also for the running of the hospital, we have best of the computerized system, we have best of the medical record system. Even we have internal transport system by which it eliminates people moving with papers and small stuff like pneumatic tubes we have which can shift things very quickly, and it reduces the requirement of number of people.
What are some of the challenges that you're facing in executing these plans of yours?
The biggest problem is trained manpower, doctors as well as technical staff, because the way healthcare is growing today in the country, not enough well-trained people are there.
Yes.
Also, not many people are ready to shift to tier 2 or tier 3 cities. So, there even it is more difficult to get good people.
If the government could hear us today, what would be your wish list to the government for the medical sector, for the health sector in India?
Giving status of industry to the healthcare would be very important, because then there are so many other advantage hospitals can take.
Okay.
And also because it is labor oriented, and because it's service sector, it is very difficult to run it without people. So more and more training institutions are also required for technicians. See, there are a lot of medical colleges, but
Yes.
there are not many technical institutions to teach technical people who support hospital.
So if I ask you, what is the USP, what is the unique selling point of Shalby Hospitals, what would that be?
It is the patient-centric hospital, number one, and number two, for us, 5 most important thing as far as importance is concerned is 1 to 5 is service, 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 service and service.
It's time now for us to take another break, but on the other side, watch the story of our third enterprise and join us as we speak to Kiran Mazumdar-Shaw about the challenges these enterprises face and what the future holds for the SME sector in India. You're watching the 8th Emerging India Awards. Stay tuned.